everyone, Faye here from Fey Fitness. I just wanted to let you know that today there will be no video for my channel. I am super sick and I don't have it in me today, so I'm so sorry. There will not be a video this week, but I promise to upload one for next week when I'm feeling better. Again, I'm sorry. If you have any questions or need help with anything, please leave those in the comments down below and I will check those as I'm able to. But like I said, I'm just really sick. So thank you so much for checking in for my video this week, and I look forward to chatting with you all next week. So until then, bye guys.
Thank you so much for tuning in today, everyone. I really appreciate the views and the support and the community that we're forming here on my channel. If you would like to watch another great video, please click on either side of the screen here to watch either a popular upload or one of my most recent videos that I've uploaded. And as always, if you have questions, please leave them in the comments down below of any video. I check this channel very often and try to stay up to date on everything. And if you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all of my new content. So again, thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure getting to know all of you, and I hope to interact with more of you in the future. Until then, bye guys.